Scan, measure, and innovate with the new MIRACO Plus 3D scanner and its Photogrammetric Metrology kit. Forget about tangled cables and carrying heavy laptops. With MIRACO Plus's all-in-one hardware and software, you can scan freely without fuss. No matter the size, MIRACO Plus can handle it. Use far mode to scan large-sized object as a helicopter, and use near mode to scan small items like this screw. With 2x optical zoom, the accuracy can reach up to 0.04 millimeters. Bring metrology-grade accuracy to your projects with the Photogrammetric Metrology kit. Offering versatile surface coverage for complex objects. Capture and measure large-sized objects with high volumetric accuracy of up to 20 microns. Create stunning photorealistic 8K color scans with MIRACO Plus's 48-megapixel RGB camera. Export your scan data in multiple file formats for compatibility with all major 3D software. From 3D design and video game development to industrial applications and car modification, MIRACO Plus and its Photogrammetric Metrology kit are redefining the future of